Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Knott. We're going to be doing question 43 of 50. Does a child use any illegal drugs, marijuana, or alcohol, or maybe tobacco-related products? This is important because the judge probably already knows that the child is, because somewhere in the medical record it'll pop up where the doctor will see something in a blood test, a urine test, etc. Could be a hair follicle test, could be something where, a police officer found it, whatever. If this is true and you don't have an attorney, you really want to find out specifically where in the record this is noted. If you have an attorney, you can usually ask them and they'll know from the record where specifically it was written. However, when you go ask the attorney probably does not remember within the 1,000 pages of medical records exactly where it is, so the attorney will usually have to go back, look it up, find it, whatever, and then go from there. A lot of you guys, for some reason, expect the attorneys, out of doing the 1,000 claims a year, that they're going to remember page 832 for this claim, blah, blah, blah. Be realistic. Be realistic. I know I'm asking a lot with that. Oh boy. Oh boy, I've had so many people recently just be like, what do you mean you don't remember what a sub thing was on this or that? I have to go look it up. In fact, the reason I write briefs for every single claim, they're not required for every single claim. The reason I write briefs for every single claim is so that I can remember the details of the claim, helps remind me of all little things, and it gives the judge a quick little outline of what they need to know. All right? So, bottom line, when it comes to illegal drugs, don't try to hide it under the rug. The judge probably already knows about it. If you have an attorney, get them to tell you where it is in the record, and then make a plan from there. All right? My name is Attorney Walter Knott. Please like, subscribe, leave 5-star reviews, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.